presenting the number 10 jersey to the number 10 of football. Yes, the two of the greatest, ladies and gentlemen. We now come to a moment of honor and recognition for this wonderful project, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome on stage